In this video, I will tell you what is PowerUp Studio, what are the components available, and what are the definition of it. I will show you each component one by one, and I will tell you how you can use it. When you will build a Canvas app by using any method, you are taken to the Canvas app builder is known as PowerUp Studio. You can use PowerUp Studio to design, build, and manage your Canvas application. So whenever you will create a new application using PowerUps, you will redirect to this screen. This is known as PowerUp Studio, where you can see all the components in the top command bar, in the side pane, in properties pane. You can see this is the properties pane. So I will tell you one by one. So let's get started with this. So first one is PowerUp Studio Modern Command Bar. It is the dynamic command bar that changes its display of commands according to the control being selected. So let me show you in the PowerUps directly. So this is the PowerUps dynamic command bar. You can see here there is a back option, there is undo and redo option, one is paste. You can by clicking on the insert option you can drag and drop by clicking on the insert option you can add any type of control like text label, edit form, text input, any type of control, and you can build the application over here. Also you can add the data, like you can add in various type of connector like Dataverse, SharePoint, SQL, Oracle, everything. Next come to new screen. Here you can see there are various type of layout and template of the screen. Whatever you want, like as per your requirement, you can take any type of screen and you can use it. Here you can change the theme. Suppose you want any type of theme, then directly you can come to this theme option and you can click any type of theme, then the theme color will change. Here you can choose any type of background color. If a user wants to give any custom color, then directly you can choose over here and they can give it. Also, if you will click on this, then you can see various options like background image. If you want to give if you want to upload any custom image, then you can directly upload, click on upload option and you can directly give this image to your app. Also, you can see there is an option called settings. When you click on this, these are the various settings option of the application. You can see general display, what are the upcoming features and all the supports settings. Then also you can see open. If you click on this, then it will show you all the applications that are available in your tenant. So this is all about the PowerUp Studio modern command bar. Next we will see app actions. This is the option to preview, save, publish, share, rename, run the application checker, add comments or rename the app. So let me show you in the application directly. In the application, in the right top corner, you can see the share, app checker, comment, preview the app. Here you can see save with the version note, save as, download a copy, and as well as the publish. So all these are known as app actions. If you share the application, then you can directly click on it. If you want to check the application, either if you have any issues or something, then you can check over here. If you want to add some comment, then directly click on it and you can add a comment on here. Then if you want to preview the application, then directly click on this and you can test the app from here. If you want to save the application, then there are three options you can see: save with version note, save as, and download a copy. Directly click on it and it will save. As well as you can publish the application by clicking on it. So all these things are known as PowerUps app actions. Next comes to the properties list. It is the list of the selected objects properties. Let me show you. So in the application, in the top left corner, you can see all these are like background image, content, language, field, height, image position. All these are the properties. This is called as properties list, where you can see like each components or each controls property. Suppose I will insert one control, text level control over in the application, then you can see all the properties of the text control here. Once you will expand this properties list, you can see all the property of this control. Fourth one is formula bar. It creates or modifies a formula using one or more functions for the chosen property. So in power-ups, there are various type of functions, power-up function like fetch function, collect functions, sort functions, search function, everything is there. You can use all those functions and you can write a formula for a particular requirement in the formula bar. So let me show you. Here in this application you can see fx is there. Once you click on this, you can see all the formula over here. You can choose any type of formula like function, like logical, table, action. So all these functions are available under this section. So you can see once you expand this formula bar, this is called as formula bar. Here you can write any type of formula in this formula bar. So once click on this, then the formula bar will expand, and once you will click on this, then the formula bar will collapse. Also you can see there are three options more, like format text. If you write some formula over here and if you want to format it, then you directly click on it, then the code will arrange in a formatted way. If you want to remove the formatting, then directly click on remove formatting option, then the code will appear with single line. If you want to find and replace some value or some text in the code, then directly you can click on it. You can find the you can find the text and replace it in somewhere. Then we will see what is app authoring menu. This is the selection pane to switch between insert choices and all the data sources. So let me show you. So in the application, go to the left corner navigation, click on here. So this is called as app authoring menu. So here you can see tree view. Here directly click on insert. You can insert any type of control, power-ups controls, and here you can use any type of data sources. You can add any image or any picture over it by using this media. You can also use Power Automate by using this option. If you have created any type of variable and collection, then directly click on it. It will show you all the created variables and collections. This is the advanced tools. When you will click on it, you can see these are monitor and test things are there. If you want to search any specific thing, then directly click on it and you can find the text and you can replace it. So this is all about the power-ups app authoring menu. Next comes to app authoring options. This is the details window for the app creation process. Includes choices pertinent to the menu item that was chosen. So let me tell you what it is exactly. This tree view is called as app authoring options, where you can see two type of things. One is screens and one is component. You can create any new component by using this plus new component options. When you will click on this screen, you can see like whatever you have added for your application, it will show everything. Suppose if you will create any new screen, then it will add and it will show you. If you will add some any other control, then you can directly click on here, you can add it and it will show you all the things, like whatever the controls as well as the screens, whatever you will add. Also you can add any icon or images. It will show everything in this app authoring sections. Then comes to canvas or screen. This is the main blank canvas on which the app structure is built. This is the blank canvas app screen, where you can make your application by using any type of control or any type of component. You can also drag and drop like a control and you can use it. So this is known as canvas or screen in this application. Next, properties pane. This is the UI formatted properties list for the selected object. So here in the right side corner, you can see this is the properties pane. You can see properties, advanced properties, and this is the idea options. So when you will click on this properties pane, you can see all the properties of a particular object. Suppose this is the screen. So it is showing me all the properties of this particular screen. Suppose if I will click on any type of control, then it will show all the properties of that type of that specific control. So you can see the data source, field, snap to column, all these are called as edit form properties. So this is known as about the properties pane. Then virtual agent. It concerns a virtual agent for assistance in creating your application. It is normally a chatbot. So like you can get help to create an application by using this virtual agent. Let me show you in the application directly. The left navigation menu, the bottom below the setting option, you can see this is the virtual agent. So you can get help from this virtual agent to create your application. So once you will click on it, you can see this is the virtual agent window where you can get some idea where you can ask for help regarding this application, and you can make your application. What is screen selector? So the screen selector means it switch between the various app screens. So let me tell you what is exactly. In the application below the screen, you can see here screen 1. So if you are situating in the screen 1, then it will display the screen 1. If you want to navigate to the screen 2, then directly click on it, and once you click on it, you will redirect to the screen 2. So this is known as screen selector. In the last one, you can see change canvas screen size. When authoring in PowerUp Studio, you can modify the canvas size. So let me tell you how you can do this. So in the PowerUps, in the bottom of the screen, you can see this is the. So all these are screen size options. You can see once you will click on it, it will zoom out. Once you will click on it, it will zoom in. You can also specify the percent of the screen size, and also if you want to fit to window, then you can directly click on it and it will directly fit to your window. The screen will fit to your window. So this is all about the screen size. So these are known as PowerUp Studio components and all its description, and already I showed you all the things how you can work with it. In the next video we will see how we can create our first PowerUps application by using a SharePoint list. Thank you.